Now for some learning about Earth's neighbours. Venus and Mars are the nearest planets to the Earth. Venus is closer to the Sun than the Earth, while Mars is further away. Each takes a different amount of time to circle the Sun. We call this a year. A year on Venus is 225 days. On Earth, a year is 365 days, and on Mars, it is 687 days. So, which planet has the longest year? Can you answer in the comments section? So, here's a little fun thing. Planet spotting. This could be tricky to do, but you can have a go. See if you can spot Venus in the night sky. It is often the first bright star to appear in the evening, just above where the sun has set. Because of this, we sometimes call it the evening star. From space, all we can see of Venus are the top of its clouds. So here's Venus, okay, and this one is Mars, sometimes called the red planet. Olympus Mons is the biggest volcano on Mars. So Mars has volcanoes, lots of volcanoes. Valles Marineris is an enormous valley that cuts across Mars. And I'm going to pop a video of that up for you as well. And the clouds on Venus race around the planet in just 4 days. So you have to remember, clouds in the sky move around, don't they? It's not the sky that moves around, it's the clouds in it. So just like we have clouds, Venus has clouds as well, and they move around the whole planet. They go all the way around in just 4 days. So there we go, some fun facts about Venus and Mars. And now we're going to look at the tiny planets. Pluto is the smallest planet, smaller than our moon. Now, Pluto is a bit of a tricky one. Some people, when it was first discovered, people said it was a planet. And now most people say that it's not a planet, it's a dwarf planet. So it's too small to be counted as a proper planet. But some people still disagree. Anyway, it is so tiny and far away that it was not discovered until 1930. So it's so far away that it wasn't discovered until much later than the rest. Mercury looks like our moon. It is a round, cratered ball of rock. It has no atmosphere, so the sunny side is boiling hot, while the night side is freezing cold. So the atmosphere is what goes around the outside of the planet and protects the planet from the sun. So we have atmosphere around our planet, and that's what we're destroying with lots of our pollution and global warming and everything. And all planets need an atmosphere to protect them. And because Mercury doesn't have one, that's why one side is boiling hot and the other side is freezing cold. So the atmosphere doesn't really take care of it. Atmospheres are important. If you were on Pluto, its moon, Charon, would look much larger than our moon does because Charon is very close to Pluto. Okay, so our moon is further away than Pluto's moon. Now, this is an activity you could do at home if you've got the resources. I know things are running a little bit low. So you will need flour, a baking tray, and a marble or a stone. Spread some flour about 2 centimeters deep in a baking tray and smooth over the surface. Drop a marble or a small round stone onto the flour and see the saucer-shaped craters that it makes. So you can then have a little bit of an idea of what craters look like on different planets and moons. That would be quite cool. And then maybe if you've got any little astronauts or little alien toys, or you could make your own, and then they could have some exploration in space. Mercury has many craters. This shows how often it was hit by space rocks. One was so large it shattered rocks on the other side of the planet. So it hit with such force and it was so big that it destroyed rocks even on the other side of the planet. Pluto's moon Charon was only discovered in 1976, so its moon was discovered many years after the planet Pluto was discovered, and then later on, then people decided it wasn't really a proper planet. The cratered surface of Pluto is covered in solid ice, and the sun looks huge as it rises on Mercury. So if we have a little close-up on there, it looks super big as it rises on Mercury. So there we go, the tiny planets. And we'll learn some more about some other planets another day. Bye for now.